How to fix black screen on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing how you can easily fix your Snapchat black screen on your mobile. If you're also facing such an issue on your Snapchat, there might be a problem regarding the update of your application itself. To fix that, you need to head over to your Play Store first. Once you head over to your Play Store, click on the search bar and search for the Snapchat application itself. As you can see, there has been an update available. The problem might be caused by the lack of updates on your application. You just need to tap on this Update button, and it should automatically fix any issue regarding the application not working correctly, such as the black screen issue. Once you update the app successfully and reopen the application, your issue should be fixed successfully. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.